What's going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we're gonna be unboxing the Ugreen Bluetooth receiver audio adapter. It has Qualcomm aptX low latency, meaning that it fully synchronizes audio and video so you never miss a beat. Let's read some of the specifications, the main ones in the back. As you can see, we have the model CM279, Bluetooth name Ugreen 7034E, Bluetooth version 5.0. It's a 3.5 millimeters stereo audio output. The range frequency is 2.402 gigahertz to 2.480 gigahertz. It comes with a built-in lithium polymer battery. Charging limited voltage is 5.25 volts. The quality of the sound is hi-fi quality. Supports SBC, AAC, aptX, and aptX LL. Music playing time up to 10 hours. Phone calling time up to 10 hours. Charging time 2 hours. Operating distance up to 10 meters. Micro USB port for power supply, and it supports hands-free phone call. Okay, let's open this box. Let's see what is inside. See the package contents. Okay. It comes with the manual, some instructions right here, as you can see. It comes with this 3.5 millimeter audio adapter. Check it out. Very nice. Nice quality. Ugreen. It comes with this 3.5 millimeter audio jack cable. Comes with a micro USB charger. Micro USB. And we have right here the actual Bluetooth adapter. The reason why I bought this adapter is because I need it for my car, because my car has no Bluetooth. Okay, let's open it. First impressions are it's very nice. I like the quality of it. It's well made. It's plastic, as you can see. Ugreen. We have the 3.5 millimeter output. We have the main button right here in the front. On the side we have the micro USB input, 5 volts. And on top we have the mic, so you can see. Very nice. Let's compare to this quarter to see the size of it, so you guys can see, compare it. Very nice. Okay, guys, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go to my car and I'm gonna plug this Bluetooth device, and I'm gonna show you guys the functions and how to use this Bluetooth device adapter. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, guys, I'm here in my car. I have a Nissan Altima 2.5 2012. It does not come with the Bluetooth integrated in the radio. I just have to connect it right here. As you can see, it has the auxiliary input. That's where I'm going to place the Bluetooth adapter. As you can see, I have it right here in my hands. Already connected the 3.5 millimeter adapter into the Bluetooth device. So it's very easy. What you're gonna do is you're gonna insert it right here. There. It looks very nice. So you can see we have the main button towards the passenger side. It's very easy to use. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through the main functions of this Bluetooth adapter. The first one is to power on. You have to press and hold the main function button for 3 seconds. And then the LED indicator flashes blue at first and then flashes red and blue alternatively. That's what we're gonna do. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's already started flashing. See, red and blue. That means that the device is on. To turn it off, what you're gonna do is the same thing. Press and hold function button for 3 seconds and it flashes red at first and then turns off. So the next function is the pairing mode. Press and hold main function button for 3 seconds. The LED indicator flashes red and blue alternatively. Okay guys, so the next function is going to be the pairing mode. So what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold the main function button for 3 seconds. It's going to flash red and blue alternatively. And when it's paired successfully, it's going to flash blue once every 10 seconds. I'm going to turn on my smartphone. I have an LG Stylo 4. Okay, let's turn it on. So you can see it says right here Ugreen 7034E.
Connected.
It's connected. So the device supposedly has to be blue. I don't know if you guys can see it. It flashes blue every 3 seconds. Okay, let's check it out so you guys can see it. There you go. Okay. Okay, so let's go to the rest of the functions. To play the music, short press once and it's gonna flash blue twice every 10 seconds. Same thing to pause. To answer a phone call, short press main function button once. It's gonna flash blue every 3 seconds. To hang up, short press when you are in a call. To reject an incoming call, you're gonna double press the main function button. To redial the last call, double press main function button when connected. It's gonna flash blue once every 3 seconds during dialing. When it's low battery, it's gonna flash red once every 10 seconds. When it's charging, it's gonna turn red, and when it's fully charged, it's gonna turn blue. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna test it with music. Okay guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put to the test this Bluetooth device with free music from YouTube audio library. Please use your headphones so you guys can listen to the quality of the music. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. It has a lot of bass and the sound of the music is crisp. Okay guys, there you have it. Please subscribe, like, and comment. See ya.